In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Hubspot. We'll walk through the simplest, most direct way to set this up so you can start collecting payments quickly and reliably. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to share your link with customers. First, log into your Hubspot account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, turn your attention to the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Look for the section labeled Commerce. When you hover over or click on Commerce, you'll see an option called Payment Links. Go ahead and select that. This is the central hub where all of your payment links will live. On the Payment Links page, move to the top right corner of your screen and click the button labeled Create Payment Link. This is where you'll actually set up what your customer is going to see and pay for. HubSpot will now ask you how you want to start. You can choose a blank template if you want full control and you're building something very specific from scratch. Or, if you already have a structure in mind that matches what you need, you can choose one of the pre-made templates. These are useful if you frequently sell the same kind of product or service. Once you've made your choice, click Next or Create, depending on what appears on your screen, to move forward. Now it's time to add line items. Line items are simply the products or services your customer will be paying for through this link. You can select existing products from your product library, which is great if you've already set up your offerings with standard names and pricing. If you don't see what you need, you can create a custom item by entering a clear name and a price. Here, you can also decide if each item should be a one-time charge or a recurring billing item, such as a subscription. This is important for things like memberships, retainers, or ongoing services, so choose the option that matches how you intend to bill your customer. Once you're happy with your line items and pricing, click Create in the upper right corner. HubSpot will generate your payment link and show you a confirmation dialog box. In that dialog, click Copy Link. That copies the shareable URL to your clipboard. You can now paste this link into an email, a chat message, or embed it on your website or landing page. Whenever someone opens that link, they'll see the payment page you just configured and can complete their purchase securely.